Morning everyone, and welcome to another episode of Clogs on the Mountain. My name is Koos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today I want to show you the benefits the Rockfax app has to offer. So I've decided to show you how it works by going to my local crag, Harrison's Rocks. Here I've got it on the Rockfax app. If you scroll down, you get a map. I'll tell you more about this map later. And you got a GPS point over here, which shows you the parking. So we click that. Google Maps. And it immediately gives you the parking location of the destination. So let's get there, and I'll catch up with you over there. So fantastic, them coordinates on the app have taken us right to the car park. Let's get the ticket on the windscreen for parking and get going. So questions first, what is the Rockfax app? Well, imagine a whole library full of climbing guides, all in the palm of your hand. That's what it is. We're going to show you today what the benefits are and how to effectively use it. Is it free? No, it's not. You can either take a monthly subscription, which costs you about £7.50, it's just gone up, or a yearly subscription, £60. You get access to the app at all times. So when you get the app, you got loads of places with all detailed crags. Now I'm out of network at the moment, so I can't download anything. Well, I can show you there is an abundance of it, an absolute abundance. I'm here today on the Southern Sandstone, which I've got downloaded already, Harrison's Rocks. So that's what you gotta bear in mind. You can only download it within network. Once you've done that, everything is accessible because it's in your phone, as well as the map, which I'm going to show you now, which works on GPS. And here it shows us our exact location, close enough I would say, so you can do your approaches better as well. So we're going to follow the path over here to one of the crags. So here you can see all my installed crags. Harrison's Rocks here, I've got loads on the Mont Blanc where we've used it, on the Dolomites where I've used it. So you can have a look. I'll show you one of the routes I did. Torres Conda South Faces, via Lucy de Pompenin, which I did. Also, another benefit with it is not only you get detailed information on the route itself, like beta, you also see what people have commented on it, because it works together with UKC as well, where it gives you more details or advice from other people who have done the routes. Like here myself, where I've advised, like we used two 60-meter ropes for the abseil, so you get some useful information out of it. So I also use it to do some investigative work of stuff we've got planned, stuff we want to do, and also stuff that we're currently working on. You got a lot of it in Wales, all scrambling or climbing routes. Absolutely effective. See, we've moved along a bit and you can see the markers moved along the map, so you can work out where you're going and don't get lost. Now I must say, with the map as well, don't rely on it solely, as yeah, obviously it won't show you any drops or whatnot, so always make sure you pay attention. But it's a good general direction for where you're going. And we're here, Harrison's Rocks. Now I'm gonna go to a section where I can show you a bit more on the next great feature of it. Another great feature of the app itself is the pictures with the roots, and you can literally make out where you are. So over here you got the gully, which shows over there with the tree. You can see the tree, and then you can see sort of that crow's feet over here. You can see that over there, so you can clearly make out where you are. Further, the logbook you got on it, where you can keep track of everything you've done. Fantastic. So the $1,000,000 question is it worth the money? For me, absolutely. Just getting the beta on climbs, doing investigative work of where you want to go, or exploring even new routes. For me, it's the ultimate guidebook, and I think for any scrambler or any climber, a must-have. Absolute must-have. So if you like this episode, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, check out the members area. For now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.